The enchanting Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, spanning over 2.1 million square miles across 9 South American countries. This vast and biodiverse ecosystem is home to an incredible array of flora and fauna, including many species that are found nowhere else on the planet. The Amazon's dense canopy, winding rivers, and rich biodiversity make it one of the most enchanting and vital natural landscapes on Earth. The sheer scale of the Amazon rainforest is awe-inspiring. It produces approximately 20% of the world's oxygen. The forest is home to over 390 billion individual trees, representing about 16,000 different species. This incredible diversity supports a wide range of wildlife, including jaguars, sloths, monkeys, and countless bird species. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Amazon is its endless variety of landscapes and ecosystems. From the towering trees of the rainforest canopy to the tranquil, mirror-like waters of the flooded forests, each corner of the Amazon reveals a new and breathtaking scene. Hidden lagoons, winding rivers, and waterfalls create a sense of wonder and discovery for all who venture into its depths. The gentle rustling of the trees, the distant calls of exotic birds, and the shimmering sunlight filtering through the leaves all contribute to the magical atmosphere of this natural paradise. Exploring the Amazon rainforest offers a unique opportunity to experience its unparalleled biodiversity and complex ecosystems. Guided tours and river cruises provide access to some of the most remote and pristine areas of the forest. Visitors can navigate the Amazon River and its tributaries, observing the lush vegetation and abundant wildlife along the way. Canoe trips and jungle hikes offer a closer look at the forest's flora and fauna, with expert guides sharing their knowledge of the ecosystem. The Amazon is also home to numerous indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries. These communities offer valuable insights into traditional knowledge and sustainable practices that are vital for the conservation of the rainforest. Cultural tours and homestays provide an opportunity to learn about the customs, traditions, and daily life of the Amazon's indigenous peoples. The Amazon rainforest is a haven for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts. The region boasts an incredible variety of bird species, including toucans, macaws, and harpy eagles. Mammals such as capybaras, tapirs, and river dolphins can be spotted in and around the waterways. The dense foliage and diverse habitats also support a myriad of insects, amphibians, and reptiles, making the Amazon a paradise for nature lovers. A lesser known, but equally mesmerizing feature of the Amazon is its stunning night sky. In remote parts of the rainforest, far from city lights, the night unveils a spectacular view of the stars. As darkness falls, the forest comes alive with the sounds of nocturnal creatures. While above, the Milky Way stretches across the sky in breathtaking clarity. The experience of stargazing in the heart of the Amazon, surrounded by the sounds of the forest, is unforgettable and awe-inspiring. A visit to the Amazon rainforest is a journey into the heart of one of the most enchanting and ecologically important places on Earth. The lush greenery, diverse wildlife, and intricate ecosystems create a magical and awe-inspiring experience, highlighting the incredible beauty and complexity of our natural world.